Sunshine Berry Bliss Sparkling Elixir. Have you ever made iced tea with a coffee maker? This is how I like to do it. I've already added 12 cups of water to the coffee maker. Next, we'll use 6 strawberry hibiscus tea bags and place them into the glass container. Then return the container to the coffee maker. Oh, and make sure to use a filter just in case. Hibiscus tea may help protect liver cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Some animal studies and human research suggest it can help improve fatty liver disease by decreasing fat buildup in the liver. Alright, let's take our fresh ginger root and start peeling off the skin with a vegetable peeler. After peeling off the skin, slice the ginger root into very thin slices, anywhere between 20 to 25 pieces. Studies show that ginger can improve pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis, particularly of the knee. Its compounds inhibit key enzymes involved in the inflammatory process, reducing the production of pro-inflammatory mediators. Place the sliced ginger into the pitcher for later. Next, we'll slice in half 5 limes that we'll use for juicing. Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori, is a type of bacteria that can infect the stomach lining and is a common cause of ulcers and, in some cases, stomach cancer. Emerging research suggests that certain compounds in citrus fruits like limes may have protective effects against H. pylori. Now it's time to add 1 pound of frozen mixed berries to the pitcher with the sliced ginger. Pour in the fresh lime juice. Also remember to add in the pulp as well. We're going to stir our concentrate gently. By doing it gently, we want to make sure to get a good mix without completely mashing the fruit, but just enough to release the aromatic oils from the ginger and flavors from the fruit. Now that we've mixed the fruit and fruit juices, add half a cup of agave nectar to the concentrate and stir gently. While agave nectar is primarily known for its sweetness and relatively low glycemic index compared to table sugar due to its high fructose content, one less commonly highlighted health benefit, specifically when discussing the nectar syrup form, is its potential to act as a prebiotic, supporting gut health. Now place the concentrate in the fridge and the tea in the freezer until the tea is chilled. 1 to 2 hours. After chilling, add the tea to the concentrate. This will be our base for the elixir. This is a 16-ounce glass. I'm going to fill it with ice. Here we'll be putting all the pieces together ready to serve. Be careful with the club soda. As you see, it almost overflowed. Thank goodness for those reflexes. Smiley face. I'm going to fill the glass to about half full with club soda. Scoop out some of the mixed fruit with a spoon that can strain through the tea. Then fill the rest of the glass with tea only. Total calories for this entire recipe is 622 calories, with 3 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, and 154 grams of carbs. This recipe yields about 10 servings, which is 62 calories per serving, with 0.3 grams of protein, 0.4 grams of fat, and 15 grams of carbs.